Hey guys, I have part 3 right now of how to get your year started off right with Schoology, and today we're going to focus on calendars and how you can use calendar events to communicate to your students different things that are coming up that don't have a submission or a grade attached to them. One of the tools inside of Schoology that you might use to help you and your students stay on track with assignments or events that are not necessarily assigned or have a submission deadline is to use the events or the calendar area. To access that area, you can either go to Add Event or click on the calendar icon at the top of the screen. And then you can add an event to a day that might include a reading assignment, a field trip, or some sort of big class activity so that students are aware of what they need to be prepared for. To add that, you're just going to double press in the box, and a calendar appointment box will pop in where you can populate the information needed. In the description box, you can add all kinds of details that may be helpful to your students. Once you're satisfied with the description and the information your students may need, you can come down to the bottom and either enable or disable comments. Enabling comments might allow students to ask questions that everyone needs to know about. And then you can assign it to a course. Press create. And now that will appear on the calendar as well as in the upcoming area of your course. So once you have all of your calendar events set up, you are going to want to direct your students to actually use their calendar. This is a great way for them to plan for their week. They can add their own things to their calendar. They can customize what is viewable, and they can change out the colors. These are all really great life skills that they can use right inside of Schoology. If you have any questions, let me know.